Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to stop people from tagging you on Facebook or how to manage tagging on Facebook. Sometimes it could be so annoying, people tagging you on posts that you don't even like, and when you open your Facebook page you see a lot of notification, and even on your profile you see a lot of posts that you are tagged. So let's journey together. Let me show you how to stop tagging or manage tagging on Facebook. Now click your profile icon here, your account icon, and when you click it, look at it, you click setting and privacy. When you click setting and privacy, look at the page that display setting, language, privacy checkup, privacy center, and activity log. What you are going to click here, you click privacy center. So when you click privacy center, another page will display where you will continue with the setting of your tagging. Then when you click private center, this is the page that will appear. So when this page appear, click this setting. You see privacy policy, other policies and articles. Then click the last one, settings. When you click settings, two will display: Instagram setting and Facebook setting. Click Facebook setting. Okay, when you click Facebook setting, another page will appear. If you are using Windows, if you are using PC, another page will appear, and if you are using phone, this page will go off, then this page will appear. So when you click that Facebook setting, look at it, look at this privacy here. You see profile and tagging, public posts, blocking, stories, and the other settings here. So click profile and tagging. When you click profile and tagging, another page will display. Now you can do your profile setting here. Like now, who can post on your profile? If you don't want people to post on your profile, you can set it to only me. Okay, see the different you can say friends, only me. For me, I could click only me because I don't want people to be posting on my profile. Then who can see what others post on your profile? You can as well set it, maybe everyone, friends of friends except, then you mention another one, or you say only me, because I don't even want people to come to my page and be seeing things. Now look at the next one, is tagging. Who can see posts you are tagged on your profile? Then look at it. For me, I set it to friend. You may even change it like to everyone, to friends of friends, to friends, to anyone you wish. Okay. Now reviewing of tagging. Okay, another one. When you are tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can't already see it? You may add friend, you may add everyone. Then look at how you will stop tagging or manage tagging. Now when you are tagged, you can manage how it appears or when it appears. You may choose that, okay, it will not appear on your profile until you review it. Now look at it. Look at this review. Review post you are tagged in before the post appear on your profile. That is what I select, because I don't want just any post to appear on my profile and then people will be seeing it, especially the post may not be something that I represent. So I click it on, I activate it. That is, every post that is coming, I have to review it first. Now look at the second one, review tag. People add to your post before the tag appear on Facebook. Now when you are tagged, even when it does not appear on your profile, it will appear on Facebook. Now you have to review it. If you want to click review, you click here, then you have activated it. This, when you click it like this, it's off. That means you don't need to review whatever you are tagged before it appears on Facebook. So when you click this, even when you are tagged, it will not appear on your profile, and even before it appear on Facebook, at least your name appear on the Facebook that you are tagged, you have to review it first. So I will Mine, I set it this way that okay, I have to review whatever I'm tagged before it appear on my profile and even before it appear on Facebook at all. So this is the way you can manage tagging on Facebook. When you click and when you activate review before it appear on your profile, review before it appear on Facebook, that means anything you are tagged, nobody will see it that you are being tagged until you review and accept it. And when you review and you decline, that means even the tag automatically your name will be removed from it. Okay, I hope this help, and in our subsequent video we'll be discussing how you can also block a post or how you can set your post either to public, to friends of friends, and another one. Thank you. Have a good day. Please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you get notified when another video is uploaded. Have a great day.